Hello everybody, my name is Mike Filoni. Welcome to Jekko USA. Today I'm going to show you two versions of our MPK06. My first version is our MPK06V. MPK06V stands for vacuum. This crane has the ability to pick up a 1,320 pound panel of glass, rotate it continuously 360 degrees, pick it up from the floor, set it to the ceiling, and has 10 degrees side shift either left or right. So let's show you some of these features. We have a remote system here that is tethered. You can get all your controls in your hand. One thing that's really nice for my operators that have never used these type of machines, everything is color coded. You'll see different colors on the controls, and then if you look here on all of our cylinders, we have stripes that are colored, functions everywhere for rotation. All of our cylinders are electric, so you don't have the herky-jerk of hydraulic functions. I'd like to show you just some of our rotation on this crane. So here I will show you the continuous rotation of the crane. Slow, steady movements. I can control it with the button how slow I would like to go and speed it up if I would like. Currently, our linkage is set so that we would be able to pick up on the ground. So what I would do is I would tilt my suction unit down, and my panel would be on the ground or on a rack, anywhere you needed to pick it up from. And I would lower the crane into the position. And now if the panel were on the ground, we would be able to continue to the ground and pick up the panel. The other option is to change your linkage here from this bolt location to here. What that does is reverses the effect. I would not be able to pick up from the ground, but I would be able to set a panel directly above my head. Here you'll see that we have two electric extensions, 1 and 2. There are multiple options for this crane for affordability. This one is a fully loaded option, but if the electric extension for the second, or the electric function for the second extension doesn't concern you, there is a manual pull out like we have on this model here. You can see that there's no cylinder. I'll explain to you a couple of features about the lower section of the crane. This crane charges 110 full electric. You should get 6 to 8 hours of a day's work, depending on max load, how much you're booming in and out. Down here you'll see that we have non-marking tires on this one. We do have an option of a foam-filled tire, if you look on our other model here. Now, we've moved over to this crane here. The reason why I have this model out is all of our MPK06s, whether MPK06V, fully loaded or stripped down, all have this manual runner jib with 4 different adjustable points, giving you the max capacity on the runner jib of 660 pounds. Or you have the ability to not use the runner jib, use the crane itself pulled in, and get 1,320 pounds. Now, one of the other features that is really nice about this crane on both my glass handling side and my regular crane side is I have the ability with the side shift, as you can see here, each way. On our MPK06V, our max reach is 6 feet flat out. 6 feet is being from the front tire to the end of the boom. Max height is 13 feet. On our manual version, with the runner jib, you have a 14-foot reach, or a boom tip height, and an 8-foot reach flat out. Our MPK06V has a max weight of 2,250 pounds. Our MPK06 without the glass manipulator has a max weight of 2,000 pounds. Both of these cranes have the ability to have up to 340 pounds of counterweight removed for, say, elevator or floor load. This would affect chart, but here's where your counterweights are removed from. This is our MPK06. Thank you guys for coming out today.